Either Dermoscribe team. I was checking out your Amazon strategy and your product, the Seborrheic Dermatitis Cream, Eczema Cream, caught my attention. First, congrats on earning the star ratings and the Amazon's Choice Badge. It is impressive in such a competitive category. By the way, my name is Jenny, a business development representative and my Amazon guy, and I noticed a few things that could help you drive even more traffic, conversions, and market share. And I'll show you all of this in a quick video. So let's dive right in. Now, what drives traffic into your listing? That's through the list of your keywords. And I see you're banking for over 2,200 of organics and bidding for 149 of keywords, but these could be better. I encourage you to still increase or add more for your organics since these are for free. These are your free traffic. And follow the recommended 1:2 healthy ratio. And that means for every two organics, we aim one paid keyword. Now, you may also check this word frequency. So these are the most important words for your listing, and there are still hundreds and even thousands of keywords that you can index and bid for. Now let's go and check these keyword phrases. So these are the highly searched keywords under your category. And I can see that you were able to index for a lot of keywords right here, like the eczema cream. But you're still ranking at the higher double to triple digits, so you're still birdie pages down. And it's way harder for the customers to see your product. Now, let's go and check how big is category for eczema cream and why you would also want to consider bidding for this to improve your organic ranking and be seen twice on the search result. Now, just in the top 50 listings in this keyword alone, there is a monthly revenue of $6.7 million earned by these sellers. And now, as you see, your product or your brand is not here on the list, which means you're not earning from this. Now, imagine getting at least 1 to 3% out of this total revenue, and that would make a huge difference. And as we analyze one of your competitors, the Gold Band team, and this is not to do a product comparison, we're just checking out how they are performing and strategizing, and so we can benefit from their keywords and incorporate them into your strategy. Well, as you've noticed, your competitor in here has more keyword variations compared to your product. They were able to target or they were able to bid for more relevant keywords here as well, boosting their visibility. And look at this, they're also ranking on a single digit, so they are being clustered at the top. And now, as a CD, sold 14,000 of units with a monthly revenue of over $180,000, and you generated over 60,000. And the good thing here is that we can actually help you close and even surpass the gap. We should also check your strikes and keywords, or those that are ranking from 20 to 50. And you got over 320 keywords that are not producing much for you since you can be found at the bottom of the page one, and of course, we can help you move the single digits as these are part of our third or fourth phase SEO process here at Me Amazon Guy. Now let's go back to your product detail page to further optimize it. You have a listing health score of 10 out of 10. Well done for this one. Now for your images, you get more than 6 and that's really good. But make sure to have at least one video for you to increase credibility and conversion rates. Also, you can improve your main image by having those C-tier hacks to make it look more enticing, and it would be perfect to see a person looking at the camera while holding or using your product, and that is important since it creates a proven sense of connection. Product title should be optimized up to 200 characters. Well done for having your 5 bullet points, and take note that each has a 250 to 500 character limit. Now, scrolling down in here, all right, I can see that you have an A plus content. Well done, but you should optimize this one up to 7 modules. You can even include a video and a product grid at the bottom, and that will help you increase your average order value. And of course, you should have your brand story as well. And this one looks like a carousel giving free exposure to your other great products by adding their clickable links, increasing customers' average order value, and of course, more having copies or callable text will help you to index better, generate traffic, and this is good for SEO, not only for Amazon, but also for Google, and more images and templates to showcase who you are as a brand. And yes, this is just a glimpse of how we can help increase your market share and optimize your listing on Amazon. And you should take advantage of our free consultation to discuss this further. From PPC and SEO to catalog troubleshooting, creatives, and brand protection, we cover all pillars of Amazon growth. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start scaling, let our data pack strategies and hands on team take your brand to the next level. Thanks for watching and have a great day.